Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start our chapter number 1, that is the data processing cycle. And our topic for today's lecture is stages of the data processing cycle. I'm sure you have heard about data before or maybe even talked about it with a friend of yours. But do you really know how data is processed? Data is basically a collection of raw facts such as numbers, words, measurements, and observations. We can categorize data in this way. Alphanumeric data consists of numbers, letters, and other characters. Image data includes graphic, images, and pictures. Audio data includes sound, noise, and tones. Video data includes moving images or pictures. Data on its own has very little meaning or value. When data is arranged in a meaningful manner, it is converted into information. So, what is information? A collection of facts organized and processed so they have additional value beyond the value of the individual facts. The process of converting data into information is known as data processing. These are different stages of data processing cycle. It includes input, processing, output, and storage. Now we'll discuss them one by one. The first stage is the input. Data exists all around us. We hear sounds through our ears and see objects with our eyes all the time. The input stage is the stage when data is fed into a processing system to be converted into information. This is considered the first step and called input. Processing. Once the input is provided, the raw data is processed by a suitable or selected processing method. This is the most important step as it provides the processed data in the form of output, which will be used further. Typical programs include operating system, word processor, spreadsheets, web browsers, and so on. Output. This is the outcome, and the raw data provided in the first stage is now processed and the data is useful and provides information and no longer called data. Output is presented through several output devices like printers, monitors, and speakers. After users have viewed output, they can understand what the data means and make decisions on the basis of their understanding. Then comes the storage stage. A lot of time can be saved if output can be stored for future use. A list of the daily temperatures for 1 week can be useful next year if we need to compare the average temperatures for 2 years. The storage stage is where information is stored so that it can be used later. But where can that information be kept for so long? Hard drives and pen drives are used to store information. Thank you.